Hey sophomores, I'm just making a quick video to explain the agenda for today. So you have two things in here. One is oops, sorry, I'm in the wrong spot. Um, you have a Jamboard. I'm going to show that to you. You have a magic realism it says Jamboard, but it's actually there's a Jamboard and there's not a Jamboard, but I'll explain that in a second. Ignore the part that says Poe annotations. I keep writing ignore that. It's something that we were going to do earlier in the year, and but we're not doing that right now. So go to Tuesday, September 28th, Wednesday, September 29th. In the agenda, there is a Jamboard for the vocabulary on page 36. When you open that up, that's going to make a copy to your computer. So for this assignment, what you're going to do is you're going to write the parts of speech in this space here. So you're going to erase it and write the definition. So the word is spacious. And then you're going to insert a picture that you think of that has to do with spacious. So when I think of the word spacious, I'm not going to just type in when I want to add a photo. I'm not going to go to a Google image search and type in spacious because that's going to give me pictures that are all the same as what everybody else gets. When I think of spacious, I think of a really large car. So I'm going to put down large car in my search. And this looks like a spacious car from the 70s. So I'm going to grab it and I'm going to insert it. And that's the picture I'm going to put above spacious. You can delete this little yellow thingy over here on the side. So you're going to do the same thing for obscure, vestibule, unvoiced, recessed, muffled. And you guys can take about 15 to 20 minutes to do that. Okay, after that, you are going to discuss magic realism. So if you click on the next slide here, it's going to make a copy to your computer once again. And with this one, the first thing I'd like you to do is go ahead where it says copy, delete the word copy and write your name. You're going to use the notice and wonder strategy. And this is a quick reminder about how to do that. And what I'd like you to do is look at each of these pictures and in this space, write what you notice, what you wonder, and what it reminds you of. So you've got another picture here, another picture here, another picture here. When you're done doing those four, then you're going to answer these two questions. And then you're going to add these notes to your journal. This is all about magical realism. And the story you're going to read today is about magical realism. Okay? The final slide tells you what to do, what to annotate in your story. Okay, so then after that, you're going to go ahead and read House Taken Over. I'm not there in class today, so I won't be able to play the audio for you. If you find audio on YouTube or if you want to log into the book, you can. Make sure you annotate the way the magical realism thing said to do so. When you're done with that, you're going to do the comprehension check, numbers 1 through 6 in your journal. After that, I'd like you to turn in your journal today. Now, if you don't get a chance or if you don't finish, don't turn in your journal today. I'll collect it next class. If you do finish early, you can do Khan Academy. All right, I shall see you guys on Friday, and that is all.